My name is Ruslin, and in this video we are going to explore some of the best fields in IT that are worth learning today. When people think about programming, they usually imagine only two things: frontend and backend. But the truth is, the tech industry is much bigger than that. Developers today work in artificial intelligence, cybersecurity, finance, cloud infrastructure, data science, and many other fields. Some of these industries are growing extremely fast. Some of them pay very high salaries. And some of them will likely dominate the next decade of technology. So in this video we will break down 5 of the most powerful IT fields right now. Artificial intelligence, big data, FinTech, cybersecurity, cloud computing. For each one we will talk about what the field actually is, what companies are doing there, what technologies are used, and what kind of people might enjoy working in it. And maybe by the end of this video, you will discover the field that could define your future career. Let's start with one of the most talked about technologies of our time: artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is probably the most hyped technology in the world right now. Tools like ChatGPT, GitHub Copilot, and image generators like Midjourney have changed how people work, learn, and create. But AI is much more than just chatbots. Artificial intelligence is used in medical diagnostics, recommendation systems, fraud detection, self-driving cars, robotics, and scientific research. Companies like OpenAI, Google, and Tesla invest billions of dollars into AI development. And the demand for AI engineers continues to grow. AI developers build systems that can analyze images, understand language, recognize speech, predict patterns in data. To work in artificial intelligence, developers usually use languages like Python, C++, Julia, and frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn. But AI is not just about coding. It heavily relies on mathematics and statistics, especially linear algebra, probability, machine learning theory. So if you enjoy solving complex problems and working with mathematical models, artificial intelligence could be a very exciting career path. And it also happens to be one of the highest paid fields in technology today. But AI cannot exist without data. And that brings us to the next field: big data. Modern companies generate enormous amounts of data. Every click, every purchase, every search, every message, all of it produces information. Now imagine billions of people using the internet every day. This creates massive datasets, and someone needs to process them. That is where big data engineers and data scientists come in. Companies like Google, Amazon, and Netflix analyze huge amounts of data to understand their users. For example, Netflix studies what movies you watch, when you pause, what you skip, and what you search for. Then their algorithms recommend the next movie you will probably enjoy. This is data science in action. Big data engineers build systems capable of processing petabytes of information. Some common technologies in this field include Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark, Kafka, Snowflake. Programming languages often used in big data include Python, Java, Scala, SQL. Working with data means answering questions like: what products will sell next month? Which customers might leave our service? How can we improve recommendations? Big data is used in e-commerce, healthcare, marketing, finance, social media. If you enjoy analyzing patterns, solving puzzles, and discovering hidden insights in numbers, big data could be a perfect field for you. But data becomes even more powerful when money is involved. Which leads us to our next industry: FinTech. FinTech stands for financial technology. This field combines software engineering with the world of finance. Instead of traditional banks, people now use digital services for almost everything: payments, trading, investing, loans, cryptocurrency. Companies like Stripe, PayPal, and crypto platforms like Binance and Bybit process billions of dollars every day. Behind these platforms are teams of engineers building complex systems. FinTech developers work on things like payment processing systems, trading platforms, fraud detection, blockchain infrastructure. Common programming languages in FinTech include Java, Python, C++, Rust, Solidity for blockchain. Because financial systems handle real money, they must be extremely secure, very reliable, incredibly fast. Even a small bug could cost millions of dollars. FinTech engineers often work with distributed systems, encryption, blockchain networks, financial algorithms. If you are interested in economics, investments, or cryptocurrency, FinTech could be a fascinating industry to explore. But speaking of security, let's talk about one of the most important fields in modern technology: cybersecurity. Every day, companies face thousands of cyber attacks. Hackers try to steal data, break into systems, and exploit vulnerabilities. This is why cybersecurity professionals are extremely valuable. Organizations like Microsoft, Cloudflare, and CrowdStrike build technologies that protect digital infrastructure. Cybersecurity experts do things like test systems for vulnerabilities, prevent hacking attempts, analyze malware, protect sensitive data. Some cybersecurity professionals are ethical hackers. They break into systems, but legally, in order to find weaknesses before criminals do. Technologies used in cybersecurity include encryption algorithms, network monitoring tools, penetration testing frameworks. Programming languages commonly used in security include Python, C, C++, Go, Rust. Cybersecurity also requires strong knowledge of operating systems, networking, system architecture. And yes, sometimes the best security experts are the people who like to stay quiet, analyze systems carefully, and think like hackers. If you enjoy solving mysteries, breaking systems, and protecting technology from attacks, cybersecurity might be the perfect challenge. But modern systems cannot exist without infrastructure. Which brings us to the final field in this video: cloud computing. Years ago, companies had their own physical servers. Today, most of the internet runs in the cloud. Cloud computing means running applications on remote servers instead of local machines. The biggest cloud providers in the world include Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud. These platforms power thousands of popular services. For example, many modern apps store their data in cloud databases and run their backend infrastructure on cloud servers. Cloud engineers build systems that are scalable, reliable, globally distributed. Instead of running one server, companies might run thousands of servers across multiple countries. Some common tools used in cloud engineering include Docker, Kubernetes, Terraform, Linux. Programming languages often used in cloud infrastructure include Go, Python, JavaScript, Bash. Cloud engineers focus on things like deployment pipelines, distributed systems, containerization, infrastructure automation. If you enjoy building large systems, working with servers, and understanding how the internet actually works behind the scenes, cloud computing could be a great career path. Final thoughts. So which IT field should you choose? It depends on your personality and interests. If you enjoy mathematics and complex algorithms, artificial intelligence, and data science might be perfect for you. If you like analyzing patterns and working with massive datasets, big data could be your field. If you are interested in money, finance, and cryptocurrency, FinTech might be the right path. If you enjoy breaking systems and protecting them from attacks, cybersecurity can be incredibly exciting. And if you want to build the infrastructure that powers the internet, cloud computing might be your calling. The truth is, the tech industry is huge. There is no single perfect path. But if you choose a field that genuinely interests you and keep learning every day, you can build an incredible career in technology. And maybe one day you will be the person creating the next generation of software that millions of people use. Thanks for watching.